If you want to share the link for this Padlet, you can either take it from up, but before that you need to set up the settings for the sharing part. So over here you click on share, and then of course you can invite members to be collaborators with you, or also over here change privacy, and then what do you want it to be? You want it private, or you want it a secret Padlet? You want people to access it with a password, or is it a public one? So you choose whatever feature you want. I'm going to choose this one, or maybe this one. It's a secret one for the school. And then over here you want people to be able to post, so which means they need to write in it. For editing, if you want them to edit the Padlet and collaborate with you on it, this is what you need to choose. After you set up the settings, you have many ways to share the Padlet. First, you can copy the link from here and then send it through email. You can also get the QR code. If you are conducting a workshop, this is your best option. Or even in a classroom, when you want the students to access it fast, you can ask them to open the camera on Padlet and just scan this code. You can embed your Padlet in a website or a blog. You can also share it through social media applications and through Google Classroom. Also export the Padlet as image, PDF, CSV, which means like an Excel file, and over here, and you can also print it if you want.